Hello, beautiful artists. I wanted to show you a really fun technique for a little bit more advanced leaf. Let's go through the leaves that most of us are probably pretty familiar with. So I have sprayed my paints, by the way. I have that Mylang set. I love this. I mean, look at the colors, you guys. Are those gorgeous or what? This is a Paul Rubens student set. And then this is just my 140 pound cold press paper. But I want to show you. So we have learned in the past our technique of a point press point leaf. So we've got these, and there's nothing wrong with these beautiful leaves. You've got your one stroke, which is point press, opening up that belly. And there we go. There's a perfect little leaf. Then we've got our two stroke where we're taking two of those and putting them together. Point press, and there we go. I just use the tip of my brush to kind of fill that in and shape it out. And I've left white space in between. So there's our two stroke. Now I have a really, really fun one for you. I'm going to go ahead and load my brush here. This is the, let's see, I have the Mylang palette here. So this is the yellow green. And I'm going to wet my brush. I've got about 50-50 pigment in there. Tap it off. And here we go. So the first brush stroke is going to be similar to this. Point press. And I'm elongating out the side. Then I'm going to go in, and this time I'm going to grab the tree green. And I'm going to go right up here on top and point, press, and come down. That tree green's really similar, so I also have the hooker's green here we can do. Point, press. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now let's do the other side of the leaf here. So point, press, and come down. Use that brush, the tip, to kind of shape it out. And I also made it shorter here, if you notice that. I'm going to wash and rinse my brush, tap it off, pick up that green paint again, point, press, and look at that. Isn't that a gorgeous leaf? Let's do that again. So I will let me draw out the brush strokes there. So you've got the first brush stroke, which is kind of like a teardrop, see? And I elongate that tip like that. So that's your first brush stroke. This would be the middle of the leaf. Then you're adding on another teardrop right here, like that. So that's this stroke. Then you've got your third brush stroke here, which is another teardrop, and then another one right here. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And play with those colors. Let's play with maybe a bluish. So I'm going to start with my tree green in my palette here, about 50-50. And tap it off, and let's do that again. So point, press. I'm really opening the belly of the brush. Coming out, point, press, and I'm making it just a little bit shorter. And now let me wet that again, because I've just got some practice paper here. I'm going into the outside and press up on the point. I've got that wonderful little piece there. Press up on the point. Isn't that interesting? You could even do another one right there. And look at those beautiful colors. Now I'm going to go into the tip here with, let's go in with a little bit of a brown and just tap in. And we've got our stem. So let's do that again. This time, how about we try a green and a blue? So here's our green, point, press, just like that. use the tip of the brush, go in there with our dark green. Oh, you know, we're going to try the blue. So picking up my blue, tapping off my brush, point press. Oh, look at that color. Point press. And now let's go in the outside there with our green. A little bit of green. Point press. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the beautiful color combinations you could get here. Point press. Again, I kind of color in, just paint in with the tip of my brush. Let's go on the outside there with maybe a light blue. Point press. Ooh, so pretty. Go into my palette here. Point press. I'm opening up that belly there. And then our green. Point press. I mean, you could have so many different wonderful leaf combinations here. And then I always go in with that brown right here too. I just think it's so pretty and earthy. So here's our stem. Let's go in with those greens. We'll start with maybe a tree green, or this is yellow green. Point press. Oh, now I combine that with that, so it's going to be hard to see that other little edge. But let's go in with our dark green right here. Point press, point press. So I'm just adding on those little sides. Press. I mean, how fun is this? The sky is the limit as far as how to create these. Point press, point press. You could use all the same color. Adding on these little points. Let's do one more right here. Point press, and then you add on these little tails. So fun, you guys. Like, what a great way to kind of level up your leaves. And I hope you give this a try. I can do one more here for you if you like. Let's see. Let's start with, here's a pretty green. Point press. It's kind of like an emeraldy green. Let's go in there with our tree green. Point press. Ah, so gorgeous, isn't it? Those colors. Let's go in the other side. Point press. And then we'll go into this side here. Let's see what green that was. Yeah, that was tree green, I believe. And then we can go into the outside with that emeraldy green. Ah, isn't that the most gorgeous little leaf? You may have to practice this just a bit to kind of get that shape. And then I'm just going to dip in there with my brown. The other thing you can do as well is, while this is wet, I just rinse my brush, and I'm making it a thirsty brush, meaning I'm tapping off a lot of that excess water. And if you want to give it a highlight, look at that. Awesome, isn't it? Just this is why I say you are all artists, because this is not taking some huge amount of talent. It's just being aware of these little tips and tricks and techniques to really level up your paintings in a beautiful way. All right, everybody, I hope you give that a try. Thanks so much for being here on Patreon. I hope I see some of you. I think I've got 2 or 3 spaces left in the top tier, which is $50 a month, but you get a private every month, you guys. You also get one group class. So tons of fun stuff like this I share in those classes, and the one-on-one, we can really, chat together. I can give you, very personalized guidance on some of your painting. It's, if you really want to take it to the next level and you really want to get that one-on-one, it can make all the difference, you guys. It's little things like this that just can take your painting from, yeah, it's pretty good, it's okay, and just you do one thing and you speed up that learning process and you get so excited, and that's what it's all about. All right, everybody, I hope you give these a try, and happy painting as always. Thank you so much for being here. I love our little intimate group here. So much fun because I get to really get to know you guys, and it's just really cool for me, and I hope it's helping you guys as well. All right, happy painting.